Our oyster aquaculture training program is a 14-week course. We prepare students to start and operate their own oyster aquaculture business. Students can either come out with us on our submerged land lease where we operate and grow oysters, or we'll set them up with one of our farm partners so they can get out there, see what it's like to work on an actual oyster lease as well as caring for the oysters.
It was a great class. It exposes you to different elements of oyster aquaculture. We learned about how to grow oysters and learned much more about the benefits of what oysters provide to the ecosystem.
The really cool part about the WI program that we went through was that we got to meet experts, and through those meetings we created networking relationships, and we were able to gather what we believed was best practices from across the South.
Oyster aquaculture is super beneficial for the local ecosystem. Oysters eat by filtering water. Bringing these oysters back into the water, you're bringing this natural filtration system back into the environment.
The full-grown oyster can filter 50 gallons of water a day. And so it's exciting to be doing something that is environmentally sustainable for Florida. We're not taking something, we're giving something back.
I would hope that others consider aquaculture as an avocation, and that it's an opportunity to be on the water every day. It's an opportunity to grow a great product that has only upside.
If you're thinking about joining the course because you're interested in aquaculture, I would highly recommend coming out and speaking to us. We can even take you out to see our operation just to give you a little bit more of a taste before you make that commitment. Oyster farmers are actively making a difference in benefiting the marine ecosystem by bringing these crucial keystone species back into the water.